So this is the drill press and mill coolant pumping system. So there'll be a return fitting in this, which will go through the strainer. And I don't know if it's overkill, but sediment trap also. And it's a small aquarium pump. And someone on YouTube made one of these, and that's the same pump he used, and that worked well for him for a drill press. So I bought the same pump. He had a link on his video to Amazon where you could buy one. And I need it lines up there. I'm now waiting on another tool, an insert tool, so I can put some inserts in the bucket there and then just use the same screws I've been using.